I would really encourage you at this point to pause and try out this whole page. Try out the next 4 examples. We've now done 1 deficient and 1 abundant example. Try these 4 out. I'm going to do 2 videos, 2 examples in each video just to keep us our playlist a little shorter on this one. All right, but still have the videos be able to chunk apart. So we need to find our proper factors. 1 and 34. 34 is not a proper factor, although it is part of the process of finding the proper factors. Excuse me. 2 and 17. Now, the way I would go about this is I would start counting through, my apologies, to see 3 doesn't go into it, 4 doesn't go into it, 5 doesn't go into it, 6. And you have to go all the way through your options until you get up to 17, which is kind of far away. Remember the theorem we had with the prime factorization? This is a prime factorization right here. There's only 2 factors of the number, there's only 2 prime factors of the number 34, which means that the total number of factors is 1 plus 1 and 1 plus 1 being multiplied together. That's 4. That's the total number of factors. The reason we introduced this concept before is because if you are asked to find all of the factors or all of the proper factors, I could stop looking. I don't need to check 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 all the way to 16 because I know that this is all 4 of the factors. There were only 4 in existence based on the theorem that we had discussed earlier. So that's just kind of a side note where we can utilize something that we discussed earlier to make this a little quicker if we don't want to actually thoroughly check all of the other options. Now, to get back to the problem at hand, we need to add together our proper factors, 17, 18, 19, 20, and compare that number to the original itself. 20 is smaller than 34. Therefore, 34 is a deficient number. The sum of its proper factors is smaller than the number itself. And I'm going to do 40 in the same video. 1 and 40, 2 and 20, 3 is a no-go, 4 and 10, 5 and 8, 6 is a no-go, 7 is a no-go, and 8 we've now circled back. So we have all of our factors here. 40 is not a proper factor, so it does not get added when we check on the sum of the proper factors. We're going to add all of the factors except 40. 20 plus 10 is 30, plus another 10 there. That's 40, 49, and 50. I kind of did like a grouping as I added them together. Again, another mental math technique. So our sum is 50, which is greater than the number itself. It's larger than 40, which means that 40 is an abundant number.